Today we're going to take a look at the Smith and Wesson M&P 2 9mm semi-automatic pistol, how to strip it and reassemble it. First of all, we want to check to make sure it is unloaded. There is no magazine in the weapon. So we're going to pull back on the slide, check inside. We can see that it is empty and we are good to disassemble. I'm going to release the springs inside and now we can take it apart. So all your controls are located on the left side, although it does have an ambidextrous slide release. So the first thing we're going to do is push the slide back, lock it in place like so. We're then going to turn the takedown lever here into the release position. And before we do anything else, we're going to take off the little bit here at the bottom, which releases this little tool. And inside the pistol, there is a little lever type of thing that you want to turn forward, which will allow the pistol to come apart. So if we release the slide locking lever, the slide will now separate from the pistol. And if we can try to look inside, not sure if you can see it, but right here where I'm pointing, just under this part here, is the little lever that you want to push forward, and you push it back once you reassemble. So we'll put that piece aside. We'll come over here to the slide. We'll remove the guide rod and the spring, which comes out like that. It is a one-piece assembly. We'll then push the barrel forward. You might have to lift it up slightly and then pull it back and up, and it will release from the slide. And that is your basic strip of the pistol. You can do your cleaning and then put her back together. All right, we're now going to put the pistol back together. So placing the slide top side down, we're going to take the barrel, put the barrel in, pull it back so it locks in and is flush. We're going to take the guide rod and spring. There's a large end and a small end. The small end goes forward into the top piece. Compress the spring and line it up with the top of the barrel. We're then going to put the grooves of the slide into the guide on the receiver like so. And then we're going to push it all the way back, locking the slide in place with the slide locking lever. Using the little tool once again, we will go in and we will flip that little pin back in place. We'll then let the slide takedown lever go back into its regular position. And then we can let the slide forward and the pistol will stay together. And that is it reassembled and ready to go. We can do our function test with it, make sure everything is working properly. She will go. It is a double action pistol, so when you pull the trigger, you will get the click. If you cock it and let her go forward, which you won't do with the magazine in place. Let me just take that out, like so. If you cock it and let her go forward, it will reset. You hear the click, and then you can fire it again. And she holds back with an empty magazine. That is the strip and assembly of the Smith and Wesson M&P 2.0.